Hi, I'm Alison Calder, and I'm going to read a couple poems from my new book, SYNAPTIC, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to read the first 3 poems from the Connectomics series. There's 33 poems in the series, and the entire series deals with neuroscience, science, and the language associated with it. Each poem has a scientific term for the title and then a footnote explaining what it is, like so. So I'll be reading the title, and then I'll be reading the footnote, and then I'll be reading the poem. So I'll start at the beginning with Connectomics. Roughly speaking, the goal of Connectomics is to improve ways to map the neural connections in the brain. Connectomics. The idea is to render the brain transparent enough to read through, trickles of water washing away thought. Deletions, insertions, translocations, inversions, proofreader's symbol carve a straight line to the monitor. In the light of the laboratory, thought's skein unravels, bumpy road smoothed. Lucent, pellucid, the brain wavers like the glass in a display case, minimum interference between eye and page. Like reading through a jellyfish. The text, however, remains opaque. Clarity. Clarity is the name of the process by which the brain is made transparent. Splicing firefly genes into mice makes neural mapping easier because parts of the brain will fluoresce. These mice are particularly used for Alzheimer's research. Clarity. Firefly mouse flickers, forgets lessons, forgets want. Inside his skull, the past incinerates, embers blizzarding into ash. The screened brains amaze, sizzling, fragments of a film that's not replayed. What and how and why flash briefly, die. Mouse mind flares, it turns to glass. C. elegans. C. elegans, a small soil-dwelling nematode, was the first animal to have its genome completely sequenced. 40% of its genome is identical to that of humans. All 959 somatic cells of its transparent body are visible under a microscope. C. elegans. You call us simple. On TV, innocents scream at cartoon germs, brandish cleansers, scrub us away. Grade 6 science classes learn what's living in their lashes, are traumatized for life. Still, I have what you need. Complicated, tractable, I am the ideal compromise between like and not. I'm useful because I die quickly. Your funding agencies approve. Plumbing for secrets in my glassy body, you peer through my window, seeking 40% of your soul. How age, how sleep, how want? The fundamental mysteries of biology hidden in plain sight. The manual says, keep your samples separate from your culture. But let me reverse your gaze, turn the microscope upon the viewer. My elegant curves, the symmetries of my crystalline motility, mesmerize. Rotund, rotating, I root into regions you've not been to. My eyeless face recognizes light. Hermaphrodite, I love myself. Non-hazardous, non-infectious, non-pathogenic, non-parasitic, of no economic importance. I'm nothing that you are. And that's the end.